Two more?
Mama.
One more? Oh, is that a puzzle book?
Read.
We need to read? What do you see in your book?
This. This.
Oh, were there stickers there?
Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
House.
Did we do all the stickers?
More.
Do we need more stickers?
Sit.
What do you see in the picture?
Read. Read.
Okay, Mom will read it. Are there more books? Is that all?
Tip.
Do we need tape?
More city. A wall.
Oh, is it full?
A wall. A wall.
Oh my goodness.
Wall.
You have a lot of books.
A wall. A wall.
Oh, I think Mommy's going to need to help.
A help.
Yeah.
Help. Help. Soft.
I think it's full.
Help.
Okay, Mommy will help. More books? Reese, where are we going to take these new books?
The house.
The house? The new house?
His.
Penguin book? Are you going to have a big girl room? Yeah? More books? Yeah, you are working hard.
Hard.
Yeah.
Hard. Hard. Hard.
Thank you for your help. Did we get in the box?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't fit. It's full.
Soft.
It's full.
Soft. Soft.
We can still fit more in your box.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Reese's.
Reese's books. Good job.
Sit. Sit.
No, you don't want to sit on there. You'll fall down. Who's on that box? Who's on that box?
Door.
Dora.